Today we are looking at Glencoe Course 2 Math Lesson 3.5 on dividing integers. In our previous lesson we worked with multiplying integers, and we learned that multiplying a positive times a positive is a positive. A positive and a positive is positive. And we learned that positive times a negative is a negative. And a negative times a positive is a negative. And a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, so we know that multiplication and division, they're partner operations. Which means that the opposite of multiplication is division, and the opposite of division is multiplication. So what do you think that means for our rules of division? Let's raise a hand. What do you think that means for our rules of division? What do you think that means? What do you think it means when we say that the rules for, that multiplication and division are opposite operations? So what is that going to do for our rules? Do you think they're going to be the same, or do you think that they will be different?
Different.
It depends.
It depends. Okay? I want someone to justify their answer. So tell me, why do you think what you're saying? Yes, sir.
It depends on the operation, right?
Well, if the lesson's on division,
It's going to be negative.
they're just all going to be negative?
Yes.
Okay. That's one idea. Yes?
It'll be different because they're different operations.
Okay. Yes, sir?
It's gonna be the same because if you got like a negative, higher, like if you got like a higher number and a negative, then a higher number and a positive, your answer will come out negative. It's kind of like multiplication.
Okay. So, we've heard a couple different things. Let's see what this looks like in a problem. Alright? Let's see if we can figure it out. If I had the problem 20 divided by 4, I can write my problem like this, or I can write it as 20 over 4 using our division bar or our fraction bar. 20 divided by 4 means that I have 20 of something and I divide it into 4 groups, correct? Okay? So let's make 20. Okay, now I have 20 dots. If I take 20 divided by 4, what do I do with those 20 dots?
Take away 4.
Okay,
No, what?
hold on, let's raise a hand. Let's raise a hand.
Forget what I said.
I have 20 dots, and I need to divide them by 4. So what does that mean that I need to do?
You got
Take 4 from every row.
do 4. No, you got to divide it to 4.
I need to split it up into 4 groups.
Yeah, I know.
So you take 4 for every row.
Okay, so
Whoa.
am I putting 4 in each group, or am I dividing them into 4 groups?
Divide them.
Okay, so I need to divide them into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many are in each group? 5. So that would say that 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Correct? If I just said was 20 divided by 4, you would tell me that it is 5. Okay? What if I made this a negative and I said that my dots equaled negative numbers? Then what's my answer going to be? It would be negative 5 because in each group I have 5 negative dots, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here's the tricky part. What if I had 20, the 20 was positive, but I made my 4 negative? Can I, shh. What if my 20 was positive, but my 4 was negative? Can I just get rid of that negative sign and pretend like it doesn't exist?
Yeah.
No, we cannot do that. No, we can't just forget a negative. We can't just make it disappear. We're not magicians. We're mathematicians.
You said mathematicians.
Mathematicians.
I
Okay?
thought you said magicians when we was in class.
No, we are mathematicians, not magicians. We cannot just make it go poof, disappear. Okay? We can't just erase part of a problem. So our answer is still going to be -5. The other way that we can look at this, we're going to take our 20, we put it into 5 groups, and then we took the opposite of that. Okay? So we took the opposite of the 4. Yes, ma'am.
You took your class to lunch now.
Thank you.
Stop at my office, please.